Are you tired of setting financial goals every year only to feel stuck and frustrated by February? Trust me, I've been there, and I know how overwhelming it can feel. That's why I created something completely different to help you crush your 2025 goals. My Financial Bingo Vision Board Workshop. This isn't your typical vision board party. We're not just cutting out pictures from magazines and hoping for the best. We're creating actionable plans that will transform your finances, your mindset, and your future. And the best part, it's all happening live on Zoom on December 30th. So you can start 2025 with clarity, focus, and excitement. Here's the thing. Most of us know what we want financially, but we struggle to stay consistent. Whether it's saving money, paying off debt, or improving credit, life gets in the way. Emergencies happen. We lose motivation, and those big dreams start to feel impossible. Sound familiar? But what if there was a way to make goal setting fun and achievable? What if you could create a plan that didn't just look good on paper, but actually worked in real life? That's exactly what we're doing in this workshop. I designed this bingo vision board in Canva because I wanted to make financial planning simple, creative, and effective. You can follow my step-by-step guide to create your own digital board, or if you're more hands-on, use a classic cardboard poster like we did for school projects, or even a whiteboard, whatever works best for you. We'll focus on the key areas that matter most: money, credit, mindset, savings, debt, and yes, even personal fun. Because let's face it, life needs balance. It's not just about grinding to pay off bills. It's about creating a life where your finances support your happiness, not stress you out. I chose this bingo style format because it keeps things exciting. You're not just writing down goals, you're checking them off as you go, like winning little victories along the way. The system helps you stay motivated, track your progress, and actually enjoy the process. And I'll be there to guide you every step of the way, sharing tips and strategies to make sure your board becomes more than just a dream. It becomes your reality. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a clear, personalized roadmap for 2025. Imagine starting the year with goals that you're excited to tackle because you know exactly how to achieve them. You'll walk away with the tools, the mindset, and the confidence to make it all happen. So don't wait for January to figure it all out. Join me on December 30th for this powerful game-changing experience. Whether you're starting fresh or leveling up, this workshop is for you. Click the link in the description or DM me for access to the Bingo Vision Board template and to secure your spot. Let's make 2025 your best year yet. I'll see you there. Happy holidays, everyone. And let's go into 2025 ahead of the curve.